Down here from Super Blast. I'm standing here with Gary. Gary, show us some features about the rig we got here for Wesley Ford out in California today.
Got a lot going on here. We got on the front, we have a 5,000 watt inverter that's housed inside this closure. Keeps it nice and dry. They can be opened up and ran when you're running the 110 volts for the pump out and the reclaim. We have our selector here for our downstreamers that go from water to SH to be able to clean it out on the fly.
Nice.
It's all plumbed into the tank. Our remote start for both machines on one side, so we're working from the passenger side out, not that it'll reach over, crank them up.
Nice feature.
Our machines are also the capability to run through flow sensitive motors, or then turn the valves and switch it to pressure sensitive, so we can tie them together and run at 21 gallons a minute and run the big cleaner. We also have this hidden wash down station here, so when the customer wants to plug in and have it for washing down gear, boots, little buckets for sealer, that kind of stuff. He's got water poured there.
Awesome.
Filters, lines all run through the deck, but both filters are here close together, so it's easy to clean and maintain.
Easy access, makes it easy.
We have lights. We have our passenger and driver side floodlights up top.
Nice.
As well as center lights that glow the whole center of the trailer. For at nighttime work, you'll see the inside. We have a proportioning system here, along with a secondary neutralizing closed loop system, so we can run neutralizer straight through, along with surfactant, SH, everything there. That's all through the Zeta. We also have our drain off for bucket fill, any kind of pump spares, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, we got a nice wand holder that's kind of hidden and integrated in the pole here, tucked away, kind of like your quiver for all your arrows type deal.
Very nice. And there you have it, folks. If you want a custom rig made for you and your crew, Ameritech Pressure Washing in Tampa, Florida is your go-to place. Get after it. All right, now let's go see what's cooking, man. All right, here we come. Look at that. And beer is your friend, you know. Wow, look at this pickup rig. Nice, 8 gallon a minute machine.
Getting after it.
How's it going, Aaron? You getting after it?
Yes, sir.
You guys are crazy, man. Look at these builds in here. Oh, look at this.
One after another.
It looks like my trailer had a baby. Boy, it's nice. Woohoo! 2 giant water tanks. Ah, the double axle.
Tandem axle with brakes.
Nice, with brakes. Oh, he's even got a generator. Air compressor on there. Nice. Water filter system on there. You must have. Gotta have water filters.
Here we have our soft wash dual pumps.
Nice.
Soft wash reels up top.
Is that a 325 right here?
25.
That's 500?
Yep.
Wow, that's some weight there. Then you're gonna put a SH tank here.
SH tank there.
Nice ladder rack, man.
Welding going on. Little TIG action.
Very cool. There you have it, and the customness never ends at Ameritech. What do we do here?
Get after it.
That's right, get after it.
GT builds.
All right, Don here. One last plug, okay? Where are you gonna get your rig made? Where? Right there. Gonna get it made at Ameritech. Look at these rigs. That's my rig, which inspired this rig. Any questions? I didn't think so. The go-to place for customized pressure washing rigs is... Get after it!
Every way I can take care of business. It's all my
All right, here, Don here. I'm standing out here in front of, you know the place, right? You got to get after it at Ameritech. I got Wesley Ford here. He's a subscriber to the YouTube channel. He asked me where I got the rig, and here he is. Tell us what you think about Ameritech.
Dude, if you guys ever get an opportunity, you want to build something right, you come to Ameritech. These guys take all the time that's necessary to do it right, and we're worth the money, every bit of it. I'm so ecstatic. Wait till you guys see my unit.
Yep, and we're gonna have a good look at it here in a little bit. They're finishing up some stuff in there. Then we'll go ahead and go over it. And this is what inspired Wesley to go ahead and get a new rig.
That's right.
Makes this thing look silly. Wait until you see this thing, and we'll be getting after it here shortly. I'm Don, and that's Wesley.
Get after it.
All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it!